Hello students, today we are going to study Mathematics Part 2 of Standard 9th, Chapter number 3, Triangles. As about triangles, we studied basic information in early classes. Now today we are going to study about exterior angle of triangle. So we will see what is exterior angle. When any side of triangle is extended, then the angle formed is exterior angle of triangle. For example, in figure triangle PQR, side QR is extended and point S is on that extended side. So angle PRS is exterior angle of triangle. Whereas angle PRQ and angle PRS are angles in linear pair. So always remember, exterior angle is angle in linear pair with any of the angle of triangle. For one triangle, there are total 6 exterior angles can be drawn, as you can see in the figure. Now angles which you can see on the screen, they are not exterior angles because they are not in linear pair with angle of triangle. In triangle ABC, you can see exterior angles on the screen. Angle ACQ is exterior angle and it is linear pair with angle ACB. And if angle ACB is measure of C degree, then angle ACQ is measure of 180 minus C degree. Similarly, if angle BAC is A, then its exterior angle BCR is 180 minus A, and angle ABC is measure of B, then its exterior angle CBP is 180 minus B degree. Now we will learn about remote interior angles. As you can see on the screen, angle 1, 2 and 3 are angles of triangle and angle 4 is exterior angle of triangle. It is in linear pair with angle 3, and angle 1 and 2 are not in linear pair with angle 4. Hence, angle 1 and angle 2 are called remote interior angle of exterior angle. Now we will move on to theorem on remote interior angles of triangle. It states that the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. From the given statement, if we will draw angle PRS is exterior angle of triangle PQR, then we have to prove angle PRS equal to angle PQR and angle QPR, which are remote interior angle of exterior angle. Now we will start with the proof. As we know, the sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. Hence, therefore, angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ equal to 180 degree, which is equation number 1. Now, from figure, we can observe angle PRQ and angle PRS are angles in linear pair. Hence, their sum will be 180 degree. Hence, angle PRQ plus angle PRS equal to 180 degree, which is equation number 2. Now, if we'll observe equation number 1 and 2, their right hand side are same. Hence, we will equate their left hand sides. Therefore, angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRS. Now, angle PRQ is common both the sides. Hence, we will eliminate angle PRQ. So, it will remain angle PQR plus angle QPR equal to PRS, where the theorem is proved. Now we will move on to the property of an exterior angle of triangle. The property states that exterior angle is always greater than its remote interior angles. For example, in figure, angle PRS is exterior angle of triangle. Hence, it is always greater than its remote interior angle. That is, angle PRS is greater than angle QPR, and angle PRS is also greater than angle PQR. Now we will start with the practice set 3.1. Question number 1. In figure, angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Angle B equal to 40 degree. Angle A equal to 70 degree. Find the measure of angle ACD. Now, if we'll observe figure, angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle. Hence, by remote anterior angle theorem, angle A and angle B are its remote interior angle. Therefore, angle A plus angle B equal to angle ACD. After putting values, we will get angle ACD equal to 40 plus 70. Therefore, angle ACD equal to 110. Question number 2. In triangle PQR, angle P equal to 70 degree, angle Q equal to 65 degree. Then find angle R. As we know, sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degree. Hence, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degree. After putting values, we will get 70 plus 65 plus angle R equal to 180 degree. Now, after putting values, 135 plus angle R equal to 180 degree. Now shift 135 towards the right hand side. Therefore, angle R equal to 180 minus 135 degree. Angle R equal to 45 degree. Question number 3. The measures of angles of a triangle are x degree, x minus 20 degree, x minus 40 degree. Find the measure of each angle. Now, as we know, the sum of the measures of all angles of triangle is 180. Therefore, x plus x minus 20 plus x minus 40 equal to 180. Therefore, 3x minus 60 equal to 180. Now shift 60 towards the right hand side. Therefore, 3x equal to 180 plus 60. Now 3x equal to 240. Shift 3 towards the right hand side. X equal to 240 upon 3. Therefore, x equal to 80. Now x equal to 80 degree. Hence, x minus 20 equal to 80 minus 20 equal to 60 degree. Now x minus 40 equal to 80 minus 40 equal to 40 degree. Question number 4. The measure of one of the angles of a triangle is twice the measure of its smallest angle, and the measure of the other is thrice the measure of the smallest angle. Find the measures of the three angles. Now, let us assume the smallest angle of a triangle is x degree. Hence, according to the given condition, other two angles will be 2x degree and 3x degree. As we know, sum of the measures of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, x plus 2x plus 3x equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 6x equal to 180. Now shift 6 towards the right hand side. Therefore, x equal to 180 upon 6, x equal to 30 degree. Now 2x equal to 2 into 30 equal to 60 degree. 3x equal to 3 into 30 equal to 90 degree. Hence, measures of the three angles of the triangle are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Question number 5. In the figure, measures of some angles are given. Using the measures, find the values of x, y and z. Now if we'll observe the figure, angle TEN and angle NEM are angles in linear pair. Therefore, their sum will be 180 degree. Hence, angle TEN plus angle NEM equal to 180 degree. After putting values, 100 plus y equal to 180 degree. Shift 100 towards the right hand side. Y equal to 180 minus 100. Therefore, y equal to 80 degree. Now again, angle EMR and angle EMN are angles in linear pair. That is why angle EMR plus angle EMN equal to 180 degree. After putting values, 140 plus Z equal to 180 degree. Shift 140 towards the right hand side. Z equal to 180 minus 140. Z equal to 40 degree. Now, as we know, in triangle NEM, sum of measures of all angles of triangle is 180. That is why, after putting values, we will get x plus 80 plus 40 equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x plus 120 equal to 180. Shift 120 towards the right hand side. X equal to 180 minus 120. Therefore, x equal to 60.